Let's do it.
Brad Goodman is going to be showing us his pedal pumping technique a little bit today on an aluminum lap joint. Just like with pulse settings, we're going to need more amperage than we would without. We're going all the way up to 215 amps, 100 hertz on the AC frequency. AC balance will almost be maxed out to penetration with just a little bit of cleaning. All machines are different. That's all the cleaning we need with this one.
We've got a water-cooled torch set up to this machine with a PrimeWeld cooler. We're using a number 5 gas lens cup on a 20 style torch. This is 1/8 of an inch thick 6061 aluminum. We're using 3/32 5356 filler. And 3/32 2% lanthanated tungsten with a taper on it. That tapered tip will give us a good crisp arc start, and then it will round just a little bit, but it'll maintain a taper on there. See, Brad is pulsing with the foot pedal, keeping a pretty tight arc, and that's helping him control the bead width from start to finish. This joint could easily be done without the pedal pumping technique. This video is about the pedal pumping technique, though. Brad builds a lot of dog boxes, dog feeders, and welds a lot of aluminum tread plate, and his customers like to see that stacked dimes look. Brad also does a lot of work for motorsports customers, and they seem to really want to see that stacked dimes look. So again, this video is about pedal pumping. It's just one way to do things. It's another tool in your toolkit. I started doing a little bit of practicing this technique myself not too long ago, and I've found a lot of applications, a lot of uses for it, as opposed to setting the machine with pulse, because sometimes you're not ready for that pulse. And with the pedal pumping, you control when the pulse comes on. So I hope this video helps you if you're trying to learn this technique, and I hope it gets you to the next level.
If you want to learn more about this machine, along with some of the bonus kits we offer with it, visit weldmonger.com. Thanks for watching.